we have our resource planner, so we can add our resources along here. So we can add someone in. So let's say myself, and we can choose how long I want to spend on this project. So maybe, this week I want to spend a total of 32 hours or 8 hours a day. But maybe this week I'm busy on other projects. Maybe I should only spend about 4 hours a day and 20 hours a week on that. That all then feeds up to a high level capacity manager, which is really, really nice. So
Yeah.
you can see all the people that are working on your projects and how their capacity is looking. So we can see Amy's working on this. She has 20 out of her 30 hours. So she could actually handle another 10 hours of work. So if maybe someone here is overloaded like myself, I can easily reassign this then to Amy. So I can click on this on project D, click on this button and reassign it to Amy. So then she's kind of at her capacity now. We can see we get the little tick box. She's at her full capacity, ready to work on it. And we can easily reassign things between teams. So we can group it by our resources, but we can also group it by team or job roles. So if you want to
Yeah.
group it by your teams, it's really nice. You can expand it here, see exactly what everyone's working on, or you can see it by project. So it has pretty much everything in one solution. You can export this. Again, you can export it to a PDF or schedule the PDF export. It can be
Hmm.
sent to a certain member of the team through email. You can have it daily and you can choose your time. You can have it monthly and you can customize the PDF layout, whether you want a portrait or landscape, what the scale of the PDF you want. And yeah, it has everything in one. So, I mean, I can't even see too much improvements that need to be made to this solution because it's straight out of the box and it's really nice to work with. And you also get, your Kanban views if you want. You have a Gantt chart view,
Hmm.
calendar views. So yeah, really, really nice.